Candy, lighting the tree is very important.
Oh man, like there's something else we need to do too.
Yeah, that is right. I can't think of what it could be.
Oh, Candy, you've just been singing about it, silly.
The snowstorm.
Yeah, Candy, I think you might need some help with that one.
Yeah, and help to light the Christmas tree. Well, I know just the person.
You do?
Yes, the Christmas fairy.
The Christmas fairy. Like Candy, where is he now?
Right here. It's me.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm pretending to be the Christmas fairy.
Hey Candy, how are you gonna turn on our Christmas lights?
That's easy, Sprouty, with the wave of my magic wand.
That is well awesome.
Yeah, that is really cool, but Candy, we need to see if that wand of yours really works. Now, boys and girls, what we're going to do is we're going to count down from 5 and see if Candy can light up the Skyline tree. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, here we go, gang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer curling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's full of big toys for boys and girls again. He knows sleigh bells, jingle jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He'll come around when chimes ring out, it's Christmas time again. He's on earth, will come to all, and we just follow them. So let's give thanks to the Lord above, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. So jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Santa Claus comes
Good evening to each and every one of you. Oh, thank you, Candy, for wishing me here.
Very welcome, Father Christmas. But do you think you can make it snow here in the skyline tonight?
Yes, of course.
Oh, what can we have?
Yes, indeed. In fact, I
come up on the screen. Are you all ready to join in? Cool. Well, here we go, gang. Let's do it. Come on.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh dear! Oh, Father Christmas, I don't think it will light enough.
I agree. Come on, grown-ups. I don't think all of you will join in. This time, let's be really loud and fill the air with the magic of Christmas. Then it will snow. Ready, everyone?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry